This is the Garmin Enduro 2, and Garmin says it's the ultimate endurance smartwatch, the kind of watch you could wear on a 100-mile ultra, forget your charger, and still have battery left. But here's the thing. After actually living with it, training with it, and wearing it day to day, I realized this watch isn't just about insane battery life. There's something else going on here that Garmin doesn't really talk about. So the big question is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Garmin Enduro 2 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Garmin Enduro 2 is a premium outdoor and endurance-focused smartwatch from Garmin, released in late 2022 as the follow-up to the original Enduro. This thing is aimed squarely at ultra runners, trail athletes, hikers, adventure racers, and honestly, anyone who wants a no-compromises sports watch. The headline feature is battery life. Weeks, not days, thanks to a solar-assisted display. But Garmin also packs in full-color maps, advanced training metrics, multi-band GPS, and even a built-in flashlight. Price-wise, it sits firmly in serious athlete territory, starting around flagship smartwatch money. Garmin Enduro 2 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? Day to day, the Enduro 2 is fast, stable, and rock solid. Swiping through widgets, starting workouts, loading maps, it's all smooth and predictable. No lag, no random hiccups, and no "is it frozen" moments. I use this for everything from daily runs and gym sessions to long outdoor hikes with navigation turned on. GPS lock is quick, especially with multi-band enabled, and the tracking accuracy is excellent, even in tree-covered trails and dense areas. Heart rate tracking is consistent for a wrist-based sensor, and pairing it with a chest strap makes it even better for structured training. What surprised me most? How reliable it feels. This is the kind of watch you trust. You don't babysit it. You don't worry if it'll last the workout or survive the weekend trip. It just works. And that confidence matters when you're hours into something physically demanding. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features and why you should actually care. First, solar charging. The Power Glass display uses sunlight to extend battery life. In real life, that means multi-day adventures without packing a charger, and even in normal use, you're stretching battery life in a meaningful way. Second, battery life itself. We're talking up to weeks in smartwatch mode and dozens of hours in GPS mode. Translation? You stop thinking about charging. That alone is a game changer for endurance athletes. Third, built-in flashlight. Sounds gimmicky until you use it. Early morning runs, night hiking, finding gear in a tent, it's shockingly useful and quickly becomes something you rely on. Design and build. Aesthetically, Garmin went full rugged premium here. The titanium bezel and sapphire glass feel extremely durable. This is a watch you'd trust on a mountain, not just at the gym. It's big though. On smaller wrists, it will feel chunky, and there's no sugarcoating that. The buttons are tactile and reliable, even with gloves or sweaty hands, which matters outdoors. Comfort-wise, despite the size, the weight distribution is good, and the included nylon strap helps a lot during long sessions. It looks serious, technical, and unapologetically athletic, and that's exactly the point. Battery life. We need to talk battery, because this is the Enduro 2's superpower. In real-world use, you're easily getting 2 to 3 weeks in smartwatch mode, and with solar exposure, sometimes more. GPS workouts barely dented compared to traditional smartwatches. For ultra events or multi-day trips, this is huge. No battery anxiety, no mid-adventure charging plans. Compared to most Apple or Wear OS watches, this thing feels like it's operating on a completely different level. If battery life stresses you out, this watch basically eliminates that problem. Pros. Incredible battery life that changes how you use a smartwatch. Extremely reliable GPS and performance. Premium, rugged build made for real outdoor abuse. Cons. Big and bulky for smaller wrists. Smartwatch features are basic compared to Apple or Samsung. Final verdict? So who is the Garmin Enduro 2 actually for, and is it worth it? Look, if you're an endurance athlete, ultra runner, or outdoor adventurer who values battery life, reliability, and training data above everything else, this is an absolute no-brainer. It's one of the most confidence-inspiring sports watches you can buy. But if you're mainly looking for a lifestyle smartwatch with lots of apps, voice assistants, or deep phone integration, this probably isn't your watch, and that's okay. Garmin didn't build this to compete with an Apple Watch. They built it for people who go farther, longer, and harder than most.